To live is to move. Movement propels us forward. Each day unfolds with the promise of new adventures, opportunities, and connections. But what happens when that movement is hindered? When an athlete struggles to walk after an injury? When a little one's school days are disrupted? When a senior looks at a staircase with uncertainty? For them, the journey can come to a halt, as if their ability to move has been stolen. But what if there were a way to restore that movement, to replace uncertainty with strength, and give people back their freedom to move forward? That's where Sorath Ortho steps in. Since 1998, Sorath Ortho, an orthopedic division of Sigma Surgical, has been a guiding force in trauma and spine care. Our vision is to provide premium quality instruments and implants at affordable prices to every patient globally. What began as a team of 15 has grown into a thriving organization of over 380 dedicated professionals, all driven by a single purpose: to help the world move forward with confidence. At our 85,000 square foot facility, one of the largest in India's medtech industry, we design and manufacture innovative surgical products that meet the highest global standards, offering a 36-hour turnaround for any custom alterations. Powered by sustainable solar energy, our facility ensures responsible innovation for a healthier tomorrow. We leverage the most advanced machinery, including those used in the aerospace industry, to create implants that transform lives. We are proud to be the first in Asia to acquire the NTX 1000 second-generation turnmill machine from DMG Mori, Japan. As the only company in India to utilize the Japanese-made Makino A500Z horizontal machining center with 5-axis capability, we deliver the versatility needed to handle even the most complex geometries in nail manufacturing. We are the only company to have horizontal nail threading that helps flush out microparticles and reduce the chances of infection. Our German-engineered Chiron 12 series machining centers are designed for high-speed operations and flexibility, offering unmatched performance. Each machine ensures unparalleled accuracy, paving the way for better recovery and patient outcome. Designed for precision and strength, our plates and screws are engineered to stabilize fractures and promote natural healing. We are the only trauma implant manufacturer in India using medical-grade materials like titanium G23 and SS316 LBM. We lead the industry with vertical integration, ensuring that every product meets stringent guidelines. Each product goes through 3 rounds of quality checks to ensure exceptional durability, biocompatibility, and performance, providing patients with reliable implants that promote faster recovery and long-term outcomes. Our state-of-the-art products, including the femoral neck fixation system, hybrid lock humerus nail, hyperdistal femur Mark II, Hyper PFNA Mark II, and several others, enable surgeons to perform complex procedures with confidence, ensuring that patients don't just recover, they regain the strength to move forward. With over 14,000 SKUs and growing, our R&D team continuously expands our product line and delivers custom design solutions to customers worldwide. 100% of our instruments are manufactured in-house, designed alongside surgeons, and feature intuitive elements to streamline procedures and deliver precision. We have now expanded to over 36 countries, proudly taking the best of Indian innovation to the world, enabling each one to move forward with us. To move forward is more than a message, it's our purpose. Sorath Ortho empowers people to face their challenges, to rise above their setbacks, and to embrace a future that moves in one direction, forward. Sorath Ortho, empowering movement, restoring lives.